In this video, we continue our discussion about linear interpolation, but this time we will introduce how to do it by using Excel and MATLAB, which will make this process a lot easier and quicker. The table is just the same as in previous video. The two temperatures of air are 100 and 150 Kelvin. Their corresponding air density is also given. However, we're looking for the density of the air when the temperature is at 120 Kelvin, which the table does not directly provide. So the first thing we do is to copy this table in the Excel sheet. As you can see, I typed down those four numbers from the table. The temperature we want is at 120 Celsius, and we're looking for the corresponding density. So what we do first is you can choose any empty cell and then type an equal sign. The function for linear interpolation is trend. The first input should be the known y's, since rho density is what we're looking for. So the known y's should be those two numbers. Pick them and type a comma. The second input should be the known x's. So those are the two temperatures. And then the very last input is where do we want to interpolate? We said we want to look for the density at 120 Kelvin. So 120 is where we want to interpolate at. And then that's it. Press enter. And that's our solution, 3.0683. That is the density when temperature is at 120 Kelvin. Next, we introduce how to do linear interpolation in MATLAB. Just like in Excel, we need to first tell MATLAB what the existing table is. So I type in the two temperatures and save them in a matrix called T. And next, I type in the two corresponding densities in the second matrix called rho. To look for the new density, I will call it rho 3. And then the function for linear interpolation in MATLAB is called interp1. The first input is x, and that's our temperature. The second input is y, and that's our density. The third input is where do we want to interpolate? We said we want to interpolate at 120 Kelvin. And next, you just click this green Run button, and you will see the solution is just exactly the same as Excel gave us, 3.0683.